In the shifting sands of the financial landscape, one constant has emerged with unwavering certainty: digital currencies. Among these, XRP stands tall, a beacon heralding a new dawn in the world of finance. This story begins in 2012 with the creation of XRP by Ripple Labs Inc., a real-time gross settlement system and remittance network. The brainchild of Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz, XRP was designed to facilitate global financial transactions securely and nearly free of charge. Schwartz, a former programmer for the National Security Agency and CNN, brought his expertise in cryptography to bear on the XRP ledger, with the goal of revolutionizing financial infrastructures. XRP quickly gained traction among banks and financial institutions globally, drawn in by its promise of rapid confirmation, low transaction fees, and scalability. Banks such as Santander and the Commonwealth Bank of Australia were among the first to forge partnerships with Ripple Labs. Integrating RippleNet, the network of banking partners, into their operations for real-time settlement of international transactions. As the XRP network grew, so too did its sophistication. The XRP ledger Apex introduced automated market makers, AMMs, as smart contracts, providing liquidity in the XRP ledger's decentralized exchange. This marked a significant leap forward, eliminating the need for traditional order books and paving the way for user-friendly DeFi applications. In the midst of these advancements, XRP found itself embroiled in a legal tussle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Despite this, XRP's status as a utility token rather than a security was affirmed by a U.S. federal court ruling, a decision that was later echoed by the European Corporate Governance Institute. This provided much-needed regulatory clarity in the European Union and strengthened XRP's role in Ripple's global payment network, RippleNet. The future of XRP looks bright, with CEO of Archax, Graham Rodford, predicting $30 to $50 trillion flowing into the XRP ledger. Ripple's focus on real-world asset tokenization and partnerships with institutions like the World Bank, Federal Reserve, and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation suggest a seismic shift towards digital assets. Indeed, XRP is at the forefront of this shift, becoming compliant with ISO 2022, a global standard for financial messaging, to ensure interoperability with other financial institutions and systems. This commitment to regulatory requirements and industry best practices is indicative of the pivotal role XRP is set to play in the world of digital currencies. To recap, XRP, born out of the vision of Ripple Labs and David Schwartz, has carved a niche for itself in the global financial infrastructure. Despite regulatory hurdles, it has emerged stronger, gaining recognition as a utility token and forging partnerships with leading banks and financial institutions. With advancements like automated market makers and compliance with global financial standards, XRP is poised to lead the charge in the digital currency revolution. Today, more than ever, it's clear that digital currencies are here to stay, and XRP is leading the way.